let's figure out how to use Pirate Ship. So I got 3 little Christmas gifts I want to send out to a couple of my reseller buddies. This will come out after they receive it. So got some sealed VHS for Kevin, the Commonwealth Picker. Not sure if this is something he needs for his collection, but I thought I'd send him over that way. The second item is a tape gun for ADH Dave with instructions on how to use it. And then for my buddy Shane, Soda City Flips, I found this Vans hat. He collects hats and likes hats, but it says Star Wars. It's got the little stormtroopers and stuff on it, on the bill. So I thought it'd be something he'd like. And then I'm throwing in some pins that I've designed. And I've always heard that Pirate Ship is a cheaper way to ship versus USPS prices. So I'm going to give it a shot today. Go to pirateship.com and create an account. It's free. You just name, address, billing information to buy postage. I'm going to do these one at a time. So create a single label and it'll pop you up to this screen. You just fill out the to and from sections, then scroll down. Gotta pause real quick because I did not notice, but where it says box or rigid packaging, if you click on that where it has the image of the box, that's where you can select the other shipping services like Priority Mail. Then you fill out the weight and dimensions for the package and select Get Rates. Then it'll auto-populate the price and it'll say best, which I think they mean best option, not necessarily best price. If you hit the drop down just to the right of the price, it'll give you all the different shipping options. Verify everything is okay. Go to Buy Label and then select your payment option. And then on the top right, click Print Label. And the label size is coming out to 8.5 by 11. I don't want that. Hit that drop down to the right. Then it'll give you all the different size options. I need a 4 by 6 label. And then select Download Label. And then I got the pop-up for the new file. And I'm going to select Open File. And there it is. Just print it out. So that was it. Pretty simple. I just showed one. You get the idea. I'm going to do the same thing over and over again to print all 3 labels. I'm sure there's a way to print all 3 at once. I just haven't looked into that yet. And I've never used Pirate Ship before, but I know you can link you can link it to your eBay, I believe, and import the information to ship the labels. I've never done that. I just ship straight off eBay. Maybe I'll look into it more. It's just one of those things. It's a new thing I don't want to deal with right now, but maybe it's worth it to learn it and save some money on shipping. But I just do it all through eBay. Let me know down below if you use Pirate Ship and how you like it, and let me know how I'm supposed to use it. Catch you on the next one. God bless. Peace.